have never seen a robot like this. It has to be the first time. What is this thing?
My first reaction when I saw the robot, I said, what? You're gonna do what? What you're gonna do? How? Okay.
Rather than spending time in line waiting for food or coffee, or having to stay nearby to the cafeteria, our technology allows employees more freedom to spend time how they want, where they want. Whether it's having a late lunch at your desk during a busy day, or going outside and enjoying a snack with colleagues, our robots can help.
So what we're doing is, we're using robots to autonomously deliver food, drinks, and snacks to customers.
We're enabling everyone to order food directly to their building or anywhere they want outside. Beyond the convenience of having food delivered, we aim to save people time. So how does it work?
A campus employee or visitor will go to starshipdeliveries.com.
Download the app on your mobile device and you're in there. That's it. Start ordering food today.
They open the app and they're presented with many options that are available from the local cafeteria.
You can get a burger, you can get a Philly cheesesteak, you can get popcorn, you can get whatever you want.
They drop a pin on the map, and that pin represents where they're going to meet the robot. They finalize payment, and then they go to a screen that says how long it'll take till the robot arrives. Typically, this is 15 minutes or less. The kitchen receives a notification that a customer has just placed an order through the Starship app.
When we get an order, we stop what we're doing, we make that order first, get it out quick as we can.
While the kitchen is preparing the meal, the robot starts to travel from either its most recent meeting point or from a staging area to the kitchen itself. The kitchen then places the meal in the robot and then dispatches it to the customer. The customer will receive a notification that says your robot's en route. The robot uses the most efficient and quickest method to drive autonomously to the customer. The customer will then receive another notification when the robot has arrived at the meeting point. The customer is then notified to come down and meet the robot. They'll be able to then unlock the robot and take their food.
So this small little cute robot delivered my lunch today.
I just love getting my food out to the masses. This is a different, better way to do it.
I would absolutely use this service again. Probably tomorrow.